Okay, this video is going to be on power of a quotient property. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this number, so it's a to the fourth divided by b to the third, and you're going to take that to the fifth power. So you're going to multiply the exponents, so you're going to do a to the 20th over b to the 15th, and because they don't have the same base, that would be your final answer. Now this one, you have x to the sixth over y to the third power times z to the fourth power, all to the third power. So you're going to multiply that exponent. So you have x to the 18th, and then you have y to the 9th, and z to the 12th. And you can't do anything else because you have positive exponents and you don't have the same base, so you can't combine anything. Now this one, what you're going to have to do first is you're going to have to give that 4 both to the 2 and to the y. So it's going to be 2 to the fourth power and y to the fourth power over, now you're going to give this 2 to the 3 and to the y. So it's going to be 3 to the second power and y to the fourth power. And if you see, you've got to get rid of that 2 to the fourth, which ends up being 2 to the fourth is 16 over 9, and then you have y to the fourth over y to the fourth. And then what you can do with because these are the same base, you're going to subtract the exponents. So it would be 4 minus 4, which would be 16 y to the 0 over 9. And anything to the 0 power is really 1, so it'd be 16 times 1 over 9, so it would just be 16 over 9, and you can't simplify it anymore because they have nothing in common, so that would be your final answer. Now with this one, what I would do first is I would distribute that 6 and give it to each value first. Okay, so this would be f to the 48th power times f to the negative 18th power all over f to the 12th power times f to the 54th power. From there, what I would do is I would add the exponents across because you're multiplying. So I would have f to the 30th power over f to the 66th power. Then because you're dividing, you have the same base, you're going to subtract the exponents. You would have f to the negative 36th power, and you can't have that, so you're going to basically move it to the denominator. So you'd leave that 1 on top, and it would be f to the 36th power, and that would be your final answer. Now your last question is going to be this one, where you're going to take that 4 and distribute it. So it would be y to the negative 16th power times y to the 44th power all over x to the 4th power and y to the 8th power. So what I would do, actually, sorry, this should be x. What I would do is I would subtract the exponents, so I would have negative 16 minus 4, so it would be x to the negative 20th power, and then I have 44 minus 8, which would be y to the 36th power. Because it's a negative exponent, you're going to bring it to the bottom, so the final answer would be y to the 36th power over x to the 20th power.